Hit the subscribe button to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest update of our videos.
Greetings friend, in this video I am going to tell about how to make a program based on SCF in C language. So if you are interested, then please continue watching this video. So let's explore it. So guys, before starting this video, I am going to tell about the basic concept behind the SCF. As you know that SCF stand for highest common factor, and it is a mathematical term, and we take it through an example. Suppose we have a two number that is 4 and 8. First of all, we have to factorize them, then we need to identify what is the highest common factor in between them. So this is the basic behind idea how to calculate SCF. And I want to tell also about what is LCM, that was placed in my other video. You can find it in my playlist. So let's explore the command. And first of all, I declare here an header files that has include stdio.h. Here stdio.h stand for standard input output, which is used to take over the command of printf and scanf. And then I declare our main body. As usual, you know that our execution start from main. When the compiler start its execution of the program, then it first go through a main body, and in between them I declare our variables. I taken the variables in an integer form, and here a and b stand for number 1 and number 2. That's depend on the user what the number they are placed in between them. And I stand for, I take I for loop, and SCF whatever the calculation being take place from the a and b, and after applying algorithms, and that value will be stored in SCF. And I also declare the value of a and b. Here a stand for 12 and b stand for 16. Then in between the for loop, as you know that for loop stand for three basic idea behind that. First, you have to initialize the value, then condition put, and then reinitialize the value. So in initialization I declare I is equal to 1, and in condition I declare I is less than equal to a and this or symbol, and I is less than equal to b, and in reinitialization I declare I plus plus. Okay, so if that symbol stands for or, this tell about if both the conditions are true, then statement will execute. If one of them are true, then statement will also execute. And in between the loop of the body, here I declare an if statement. In between if statement I put the condition here a percentile I is equal to 0, and b percentile I is equal to 0. And here a modulus sign is that's called a modulus sign, which is used to calculate the modulus, or we can say a reminder. And here I declare that if a percentile I is equal to 0, means to say that if there is no reminder between after dividing by I, then and I, and same as follow with b, then SCF is equal to I, means to say that whatever the value of I after being calculation of the for loop and initialization take place, and then SCF is equal to I if the condition is this true. And here AND operator defines that if both of them are true, then this block will be executed. If one of them are true, then this block will not be executed. This is totally opposite to the OR symbol. Okay, then I print here the value of SCF, that is stand for SCF is equal to percentile D comma SCF, and then I return 0. So this is the basic idea behind how to make a program based on SCF. Here the output, first of all, it already takes the number that is I defined 12 and 16. So the SCF for 12 and 16 is being calculated here. SCF is equal to 4. So
That's all about the program fields. See you in next video. Thank you.